Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today we are back in Cebu City. New hotel, much nicer, very simple pero sobrang malinis tapos maganda yung view. So gawa tayo ng room tour. Today I feel fresh kasi nga nagkasakit na naman ako guys. Ewan ko ba ano nangyayari sa katawang lupa ko. My God. The first week we were here, I was sick. The second week, nasa Mualboal kami and I was okay, but it was raining so much, so we couldn't really do much. You know, it was just eating and it was just eating and walking around, but mostly hiding kasi nga maulan masyado. And then the third week, si Marty naman yung nagkasakit. May nagkalagnat, nagkaubo, may running nose, ganyan. Tapos, nung naging okay na siya, bumalik yung sakit sa akin. Ewan ko ba. But then, I only had, I think, two days ako na parang sobrang lala talaga yung feeling na hindi makatulog kasi nga yung ubo, grabe. Yung ilong, hindi makahinga masyado. And then, ano pa ba? May lagnat din, but then, that was 2 days and now I'm feeling better. It's the third day. Medyo may ano pa rin yung boses ko, but then I feel much better. So, mag-room tour tayo. This is our first time sa hotel na ito and it's called Soho Hotel.
Soho.
Yun, E-O-N, Soho Centennial Hotel. Basta.
E-O-E-C-O.
Yeah, basta iano ko yung link. And mura siya guys. It costs 1,200 per night and maganda siya compare sa pinagstayhan namin dati na mas mura pa din yun yung Metro Park. Pero I mean, it's only 200 pesos difference, pero yung difference niya is sobrang okay. I mean, sa kalinisan. So, mag-start tayo. Wait lang. So, this is the door. So, as soon as you get in, sa right side, may storage area, lagayan ng mga damit, ganyan. Yung luggage yun. Ngayon lang talaga kami dumating, as in, I think, 5 minutes. Tapos, may parang kitchen dito. Hindi talaga pwedeng mag-cook. But then, again, may faucet, may water, may coffee, may mga cabinets dito. I think it's like a condo actually. Even the guy who drive us here said it's like a condo place there. May paano pala dyan, may pa kuryente. So yan yung right side, and then when you look up here, the left side, hindi ko pa talaga ito natingnan. So ito na yung ano nila. Oh. Yung toilet, pa-open natin. So, this is very basic, pero malinis naman. Tapos, ako yan. Hagardo versus, oh my God. Anyway, kasi katatravel lang namin. So this is the name di guys. Uy, asa pa? There. Aon Centennial Hotels. Pero nasan yung Soho na word? Basta whatever. Basta yan yung hotel. And then yeah, there. Linis, okay. Shower area, medyo okay din. Malaki. Labas na tayo dito. So now we go straight. May dalawang bed. Si Martin nakahiga na. He's tired. I'm also tired. Pero I'm fine. But anyway, so may dalawang bed. So dyan siya, ako dito. Baka mamaya i-ano naman. It's fine. So anyway, pag dito ka pala tumingin, I really like this because may parang working space ba na parang pwede ka mag-laptop, ganyan, hindi lang pagkadating mo higa agad. So may space na pwedeng mag-upo-upo. There you go. And then, yung aming bagahe, may isa doon. May TV. And this is, yung glass nila medyo dirty. But then, I don't mind. Kasi, ang view naman is maganda. Pero, dirty. Kulang ng linis. Yung glass. Pero tingnan nyo, kita ang buong Cebu City. Buong Cebu City, char. Kita yung city. And in there, that is the Fuente Circle. Ganyan. Pero, it shows no access to balcony pag nabasa nyo. Ewan ko ba. So, hindi natin bubuksan yan kasi nga, baka for security reason. So, no go. Nakasya-kasya ako, si Martin hindi. Yes, it's so nice. Talaga. I think this is gonna be our favorite hotel every time we come here in Cebu City. Kasi mura lang siya. And then, what's nice, wait lang, pakita. I think this is like the, uy, ang dirty pala ng camera ko. Anyway, I think this is gonna be our favorite favorite hotel, condo, whatsoever dito sa Cebu kasi mura lang siya, 1,200. Tapos malaki yung space, hindi ka parang nasusuffocate. May area na pwede kang actually mag-work sa iyong computer. Tapos, napakaganda ba is nasa itaas ng ito ng parang mall. Sa baba may grocery, may coffee shop, may pharmacy, lahat na andito. So, hindi ka na pupunta pa sa ibang lugar para mag-grocery. Kasi alam naman natin, pag we are on our way na pauwi abroad. Uwi akong Denmark in 3 days. In 3 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, in 3 days. So, kailangan nating bumili ng yung mga personal items para sa atin na mamimiss natin pag andun na tayo. So, mga pagkain, pang Pinoy, mga grocery, ganyan. So, hindi na ako, okay na, dito na lang ako mamili. But then, yung isipin ko na lang yung mga dried fish. So, punta tayo sa, carbon later on. But that's it. That's it for now. Ang ganda ng place. I'm happy.